What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bailey Wise, as you can see, man, and today we are playing IRL Forza. Like, I gotta get a picture of this because this is probably the most 5 pick I've ever seen. I am not gonna cap, chat. Sorry, chat, your boy had to get a literal reel right there. That's not something you get to see every day, especially for me. That boy got 3 8s, 3 1s. Shit's fire. Looks absolutely crazy. I gotta get a picture of this for my shorty real quick. Sorry to give y'all a terrible intro. Sorry to give you boys a terrible intro, but it's your boy Bailey Wise, and today we playing IRL GTR. Wait, bro, I can't even talk right now. It's your boy Bailey Wise, and today we are in the big ZL1. As you can see, I'm playing real IRL GTA 6, man. So if you like what you see, you better like, comment, subscribe, because it's the youngest man in South Carolina doing this, man. As you can see, big GTRs, fastest whips probably in the city, not gonna cap. And I'm in the Z, I don't know. So we about to go eat dinner. We gonna get a little cruise around. Y'all gonna hear some big GTRs. If y'all wanna see me get a GTR, because it's literally hard not to, bro. First time ever cruising around with GTRs like this. I'm playing IRL, whatever. Shout out to Sawyer ZL1. He didn't want to drive. He's in bro's G. Actual, like, I don't know. This isn't even real, man. I'm playing supercar lifestyle at 22. It's a good switch up for the channel. I know y'all like the cars, so if y'all do like what you see, like I've said 10, 15 times, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for your boy, man, because every sub is one sub closer to achieving our dreams and showing y'all that if y'all do subscribe in return, I will be proof and living proof for you boys to achieve your dreams, man. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna do a whole lot of talking, so y'all can hear the cars, because I know y'all want to hear these cars, man. I'm hoping I see some flames out this GTR. I'm gonna crack these windows so y'all don't get as much wind noise, and hopefully y'all can hear the whips. This is just gonna be a nice drive around the city vlog, so I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking, chat. This shit fine. I might have to go GTR, chat. These boys make me want one. That is dead ass, though. I don't even feel like real life. Like, this is something my little kid self back when I was a little jit would want. You know what I'm saying? This isn't something ever achievable in my mind, and it's just to show y'all boys that with anything, with what you allow your mind to believe is possible is possible. This is just in real life showing y'all that anything's possible. Y'all did not click my channel ever thinking that y'all would see this, and I'm gonna be living proof for y'all. Each day we are gonna get closer to achieving some crazy shit like that, bro. And I'm gonna back up just in case bros shoot some big flame balls. Oh. I told y'all, that boy acts crazy. He also just got that car yesterday. Bro got a STO, brand new off the lot, bro. STO, crazy-ish ever. And hopefully we'll be making a video with that one day. I've never been anything near something like that, so to be in this life that I'm living right now, shit's just absolutely crazy to me. We've came a long way. I don't know, man. I'm just living life, living large, trying to make it in life and show y'all that it's possible. So this is just gonna be like an ASMR drive around of the whips. I know I've been telling y'all the same thing, but it just don't feel real to me. like that fucking Cars movie. And we got Spartanburg PD right here. Hopefully if y'all are watching, y'all have seen the progress. I do want to say shout out to everybody for 2.4K, because at the time of recording this video, I am at 2.4, and I'm sure by the time this video is up, we're going to be at a number unimaginable. So I just want to say shout out to everybody for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing the video, even just watching it. Everything does keep me in the algorithm and help your boy out to become to where he wants to be in his life. So shout out to everybody making this kid's dreams possible. Shout out to everybody buying the merch. I see y'all boys rocking the merch. Shout out to every single one of y'all, everybody who's linking with me, who everyone's sharing process with me, what helps them, what helps me, just being a better person. And every day I just am thankful for y'all, because y'all really keep me going, man. For real. Nothing's achievable without persistence, so stay persistent. As soon as you want to give up, if you got something you've always wanted to do and you're feeling a little, you know, unmotivated, usually that means that you're about to make that breakthrough, you know what I'm saying? Just keep working out with your dreams, never give up, be persistent on what you want to be, and you'll be surprised at the end where you can be. Remember, we're all young, man. You know, every billionaire, you can see them, they have white hair. It takes a lifetime, and sometimes you can't truly make that money until you hit your 40s and 50s, man. So just keep working, stay positive, don't give up, and through time and effort, you'll be able to accomplish it. I promise you that. I gotta work for the IG reels too, y'all know me. Always working. Always working, man. That $1 million mindset. That $1 million mindset is where it's at, man. You got to turn every moment you can into a monetary mindset. You know what I'm saying? I can monetize just recording these cars. You know what I'm saying? As simple as this video right here, bro. People, you don't understand. People want to see this. People want to see this shit, man. Look, we got bystanders. We got bystanders tapping in, man, making things possible. But you got to understand, don't get comfortable in your position. You know, people where you may be at is where people below you have dreamed to be. And people like my boys right here, they living in the moment. That's where I want to be. And just like that, man, they have a monetary value towards people who don't have that. So if you have something, bro, even a Camaro SS, a Civic, bro, you got to think there's people that want your build. Just upload it to the internet. There's a person who wants what you have, bro. I promise, every single person has something somebody wants. It can be as simple as having clean water, bro. People want that. Now use that mindset and apply it to everything. You can sell anything. You can make money off of anything. People nowadays just want to sit on the phone, make bread, don't know what to do. Just record your life, bro. Post it on the internet. It's a simple way to make bread. And look, you can be in these cars like me and the boys one day. You know what I'm saying? Just work hard. It's not going to happen overnight, but with 5-6 years of working hard, anything's possible. That's when all the people make the bag. 5 years. If you knew it would take 5 years, would you do it? I'm sure everybody watching this right now that doesn't got one of these cars would work. Even the people who got these cars would work 5 years if they knew they would have that in 5 years, bro. What? Please. Big wing gang, for real. That's the fattest wing of them all, though. Woo! Woo! Look at that shit. Hey, your boy 100 defected that play. That boy in the GTR is cutting up, bro. They take off like jets, bro. That's cheating. That ass. We gonna let bro cross. You good, big dog? Yes, sir. We gonna let bro right here across, get it. Yes, sir. That's how you keep the gang in, bro. Playing real life GTA, you know we can see the angles when the car's coming to the end, boy. Just get over. I'll let you over, my brother. Let you over. I really feel left out right now. I'm having FOMO of not having a GTR, bro. Some people got FOMO of missing out of some bullshit parties. Some people got FOMO of the GTR. Like, bro, why am I not in one right now? But that shit's crazy, bro, to see everybody in the GTR. Troy and the bro right here, it's my first time meeting them, but they're making dreams come true for people, bro. They just don't realize it. Boy Sawyer in the passenger seat, some crazy ish never thought of before. I don't know where bro going. He going a different way. We're gonna let the GTR'S get in front of each other. Yes, sir. Coming through downtown Spartanburg. 3 whips that costing a crazy bag. 3 of your dream cars coming through the city. In a small city at that. That's what's even more crazy. Like, we're not in Atlanta. We're not in California. None of that, bro. Small city bag chasing, brother. Small city ATL mindset, though, bro. I got the ATL money glitch. ATL money glitch here in Spartanburg, gang. And I don't know what that was, but I spammed my thing with the rev match, bro. Shit went crazy. The rev match went dumb. It was like everywhere. That shit was fire though. We're just gonna stay in uniform. Tight moving militant with it. Tight moving militant. Shit's wild though. Big spaceship up though. Like a motherfucker at that, brothers. Spaceship up, living a dream. If y'all just hear me ramble, don't mind me, brothers, because I'm at a loss of words every time I get around some ish like this, especially when it's the homies. Do you think the GTR or the ZL1 would at least keeping up on the track? I feel like I might be able to keep up on track style though. It's a fat courthouse though, man. I don't know what we need all that for. I just feel like if I go GTR, I'm gonna have to go 17 up though. 17 up, it's got that new front bumper, new rear end. It looks like more elongated, brother. It looks tight, more slim, but petite. Damn, turbo sound crazy though. I can hear it over everything my car is on right now. Tight moving, all uniformed up, big militant club. Type going crazy in the city. about to park. We about to eat good real quick. Bro's GTR bean is too low. He was trying to take it off. Look how crazy low that is. That's like crazy dummy lowering springs. Ooh. Oh, he made it up. Oh, he got it though, chat. But we about to eat good. I'm gonna pick up the camera for y'all boys here in just a little moment. We gonna get parking real quick, and after that, it might be too dark, but I might give y'all a POV once we get off of the. It might be a little dark, but we should still be able to make a quick banger for y'all. Always making content, and we got a super here, man. Red on red on red. I'm gonna pick up the camera after we eat dinner. I'm about to eat some good Mexican food. There's no shot.
Yeah.
Fucking rocks. Where that boy?
Fuck everything. I got chips everywhere.
Oh,
look.
bad? Oh,
Yeah,
bad.
Them rocks.
Look at the carbon, look.
How did that come about, bro? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you.
That shit's wild.
That makes me want to sell this car.
That shit.
That was just now?
Literally exactly what happened to Jacob, bro. That shit's wild. Because I was behind you and it didn't even do that.
No, I can't.
That's what motherfucker did to me with the Porsche.
There's not fixing that. There's no.